Hey Jen.
Hi.
How are you? I'm
Great.
so happy you're here.
Thank you for having me.
So you guys, just if you don't know, this is Jen from Dubai Food Diaries. And I'm Ola, by the way, from Cucina del Sul. If you didn't know, Sul stands for, everybody thinks it's the sun, but
I
it's
thought
not.
it was the sun.
It's not, it's Sultani, because Tariq's name is Sultani. And even when you Google my house, it's Casa del Sul.
That makes
Sul. Sultani. So the house of the Sultani and the kitchen of the Sultani.
It's a beautiful kitchen.
Yeah.
I think everyone's envious of your kitchen who's here. And has
It's, by the
plans
way.
to recreate it in their future home.
Everybody says that. But really, this is everybody's kitchen. Everybody's welcome here. I don't know the plans yet, but seriously. Jen, tell me, I've been wanting to invite Jen for so long, and she's finally
I've
here.
turned her down twice before.
Yes, she has, and I can't believe you're here, and I'm so happy you're here. I want to tell you thank you for joining us, and you're finally with us. And so, tell me, how did you start? How did you guys start? Why did you decide to become, Dubai Food Diaries?
Wow, I love food. I've always loved food. I'm one of the people who, even before it was popular, would travel just to eat and eat 3 meals a day and stuff myself silly on vacations and just go home and fast for 3 weeks afterwards.
So your travel is curated based on the food that you're going to go to. So you sort of see the restaurants and then you make your plans.
Definitely,
oh my
100%.
God. I feel like I'm talking to myself. This is me and my husband planning our trips. Yeah.
But I've traveled to lots of countries. I love eating all sorts of foods. My family are Chinese. So I grew up eating all sorts of Asian food, sushi,
God, I
Korean
love Asian
food, Chinese
too.
food growing
I'm not
up.
great at it, but I love it. No, I mean, yeah.
So anyway, I've always loved food. I came to Dubai. I was actually just saying to one of the ladies here that originally I was doing a lot of Twitter chats around food and travel, and some of the guys were like, "What's your blog? I want to read it." And I was like, "What do you mean? What's a blog? Why would I blog? I have nothing to blog about." And I started looking at some of their blogs, and I was like, I can do that, and I can do it better.
It's amazing.
So anyway, I started off with a food and travel blog and then realized I'm posting only about food. This doesn't make sense. And so I actually decided, okay, let me do Dubai Food Diaries. And it's going to be about everything that I eat in Dubai. And so I cover a lot of restaurant reviews. On my stories, sometimes I do a little bit of me cooking, nothing fancy. I don't have time for that.
How's your cooking skills?
I think they were better before I had a kid.
Okay. All right.
So
I'm thinking of having a few food bloggers here to sit and cook for us. I think it would be
I could cook for you.
I think that would be very interesting. We could have a competition
great
like
idea.
a pasta night or I don't know,
love
something
it.
crazy, or maybe Asian night, or I don't know,
That's
but
an